Well, just you can see this time, that was, by the looks of it, I think that's the third private plane we've just now seen anyway. This is the third private plane we've just now seen came over this time anyway. This is the aircraft that we haven't even seen for a very long time anyway. This has been about 11 months ago that we've not even saw this private plane anyway. Which technically this has been a while since we've only saw this one anyway, which is the Zenair CH-601HD Zodiac. Anyway, this has been a while since we've only saw this one anyway. Which technically this one is based in Bodmin Airfield anyway. But technically this is the one that's now come from Bodmin Airfield this time anyway, which is now G-BVVM, that is anyway, which that's the registration anyway. So yeah, so as you can see, this is where it came all the way from anyway. It just took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield just around 1:30 anyway, around 1:30 PM anyway. Which technically that was the time it took off anyway. Just took off from his base at Bodmin Airfield just around 1:30 today anyway, just around 1:30 anyway. So yeah, by the looks of it, he might be. By the looks of it, he's only just came here anyway. As you can see, like just from here, he literally just dropped down to about 9,000 feet anyway, to 800 feet anyway. But then just, yeah, so as you can see, it just dropped down to about 775 feet anyway. But where it was to start with, he was around just around 12,075 feet anyway, as it was nearly around 1,300 feet anyway, as a Flint Blast Falmouth anyway. So yeah, but it looks like ADXB hasn't got a very good tracking system anyway. And if I go to Plane Friday, it should tell me anyway. There we go, Plane Friday's got it anyway. As you can see, that's just that's just came from where it's been to anyway. It's just as it was coming towards Falmouth anyway, and then just flew past near my house in Penryn anyway, as he was kind of close to my house anyway. So yeah, because I do remember seeing this private plane anyway. Just as business, which technically this has been a while since we've only saw the Zenair CH-601HD Zodiac. Anyway, this has been a while since we've only saw that one anyway. The G-BVVM anyway, which this is the private plane that we haven't seen for quite a while anyway. This has been a very long time since we've only saw the Zenair Zodiac CH-600 anyway, which this has been a while since we've only saw that one anyway. So yeah, it's been a long time since we've only saw this one anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye. Looks like it's going to go back to Bodmin Airfield very soon anyway, so yep. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.